Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to remove background in video using Canva. Maybe you want to make a presentation in Canva with your face and you want to remove the background of it, but you don't know how. So today, I am going to show you on how you can remove your background in videos using Canva. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. First you will need to do is to open your Canva application. Once you open your Canva application, simply tap on these videos. After that, simply tap on this video. And then on this one, simply tap on this add button. And now in here, you can upload your videos via gallery or you can also select an element, but for this one, I will just select a template. For example, this one. As you can see in here, to remove the background of this video, simply tap on this video. And then you will see the bottom effects. Simply tap on this effects button. And then in here, simply tap on this background remover. And as you can see, the background of the videos has been removed. You can also zoom that up to confirm. After that, you can play it to confirm it. As you can see, the videos have no background. There you go. If you wanted to know how to remove background of your videos using Canva, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to remove background of your videos using Canva, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.